Wendy Antonucci here, and today I am with the Cocoa Daisy September Memory Keeping Kit. It just came the other day. I'm very excited to have one of these again, as I've actually been off for 2 months dealing with, while we were away and then starting school up. So, are you ready to see what we have? So this kit is called Pumpkin Spice, and here is the card from Christine explaining what the kit is about. So we have pumpkins and just like the watercolor look on this paper, an orange stripy paper. This paper, which would make a great layering page. This one I could see Fussy cutting out some of these branches to add to the page. This would make a great background. It's got the days of the week on it. And this would be a good background page also. I love the colors on this. It kind of looks like they're hearts on some of these. So this would be a good background page or a layering page. I'm going to have problems here again because I love to use these type of pages, but I also love this one. So we'll have to see where this ends up. This one says Cozy Autumn Days. I thought this is just really cute. This would be a good one to cut up and layer with. I love this page. This is really, really pretty. I could see putting something right here in the middle, maybe even like a white wreath die cut kind of thing right there. And then using this. This would even be pretty with Christmas, just the colors there. Here's this one. This would be great as like a background to a page. Actually, this one, I think. Yeah, I like that because that way you have some nice muted colors, but then you have a pop out here. Or a good layering page. This one's a great background page too. We've got some apples and some pink hearts, kind of, I don't know. And then this one, which is a wild looking page. I would definitely use this one for layering, or maybe actually add on some more white, some more gesso possibly to make it a page I could build on. This one would be good in a lot of different ways. I really like it with this cardstock. Just looks really great with that. Especially if you wanted to build something on here and have a background. So anyway, those are the papers. We have these 3 cardstocks. So let me move these out of here. This is the main memory keeping kit. So there's your paper. And then in the kit, you have these chipboard stickers. I love that there are so many numbers. I use those a lot on my memory keeping. So I'm really excited about that. We have some more chipboard pieces, chipboard stickers. We've got circles and some tags and such. This is something we've not had before. These are some envelopes. This one's really pretty. I'd love to use this in an actual layout, I think. Or even fussy cut this. But it's very heavy. It's a great one. I'm sure you could actually send it too, but that seems a shame. So there's another one. I love this side of it. And then we have, let's see here, these sparkly enamel dots. So I love that they're sparkly. We have, I'll pour these out. Oh, 2 Flare, Hello Fall, and Oh My Gourd. We have another little package here. We've got some vellum leaves, this Hello Fall piece that I love these, but be very careful with these. Unfortunately, I've broken many over the years. I like this right on this shipping tag. So you know what? You just have seen the first piece. I'm going to grab my tiny stapler because it should go through everything. And there we go. This is part 1 to something. I'm not sure what yet, but isn't that pretty together? Love that. So anyway, so we've got these pieces. Love the craft shipping tags. I love the white ones too, like the cream colored ones. They come in handy in so many different ways. Let's take a look at these pieces. Actually, let's go back to that piece that I just put together. Doesn't that look really neat on there? I really like it on this piece. Maybe cut this off, make it a smaller piece there. So anyway, I just saw that laying there. So we've got pumpkins, we've got some tags and arrows, some sentiments, all in these beautiful red and purple colors. Picture perfect. It was a chilly day. Remember this. The one thing that I do have trouble with in fall type kits is we live in Florida. We don't ever get fall. We might get a cool day when we get to January, but I mean, it's 90 degrees. It will be 90 degrees here for almost through Christmas. So sometimes it's hard with these things, but you just need to think out of the box. It doesn't mean that they can't be used. It just, you either find a place, like for instance, we go to Disney World. They will have all decorated for fall and Halloween. So we'll go and take some pictures, and they always have pumpkins. So, you know, I get to use that. You could save, I sometimes just save the kits because eventually some places the leaves will fall here, not around us, but there are some trees that will actually shed their leaves, but it's in about January. Or my children go to camp back home, or back where we came from, which is up Delaware and Pennsylvania area. So a lot of times I'll just use that for their camp pictures. Putting together a little piece here, and again finding that this one. Okay, can you tell I just really love this setup here? I'm totally in love with this piece. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I really, really love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Something like that. Oh, I'm just in love. So I'm going to continue to put this away as I build on it. By the time we get done this video, you might have seen a whole layout come together. All right, and then there is this stamp, and there's pumpkin and little swirlies, and then it says, forget the mistake, remember the lesson. I really like that. And I can't quite see this. Show us how beautiful it is to let things go. Yours comes with a like a black piece, but ours doesn't always. All right, so that is your basic memory keeping kit. I'm going to show you the add-on paper kit next. These are, let's see here, this one is Echo Park, and I love all the different 3x4 cards. We have this piece here, again, Echo Park, and hold on, seeing something, wait a minute, let me put this together. Doesn't that look gorgeous on there? Maybe a doily behind it. Wait a minute, let's find a doily. There we go, look at that. Isn't that wonderful? All right, so see, I'm excited. I don't know what I'll scrap with it, but maybe it'll just be a card. This is authentic. We've got some of the more vintage style. And then I really like this. This is really pretty. This is Pebbles, the Spooky Boo. And then a more traditional orange and black dot. Again, the little tags. And a white and black dot. So that is in the paper add-on kit. All right, next is the pocket keeping kit. So let's get these pieces out. I'm excited to see another one of the little ink things. And this is orange. I don't know if you can see it in there. So that'll work perfectly with the kit. We have these kind of jelly type pieces, you know, like the, they're not acrylic, but not epoxy either, but like that. And they say boo and a little pumpkin and a leaf. And one of those would look great with our little piece I've been putting together. Again, some enamel sparkly dots. And let's see here, fall for you, cozy autumn days, currently, fall in love, and some leaves. So I like the leaves. And there's a coffee, like a Starbucks type, and then in a like a teacup one. So that will be handy. We've got the 6x6 pieces of the exclusive papers, which I love because I tend to cut these down into either the 4x6 or, and then the left is some 4x3s, 3x4s to use layering, but also in my project life. So I go either way there. We have more of these chipboard pieces. They are different than the other one. Let me find the other ones. So they are different. So you have two different types. And we have these Evalicious stickers again in kind of yellow butterscotchy look. And then we have, let me get this. I love fall. Don't wait for the perfect moment. That one's pretty. And here's like a pink color of it. When skies are gray, you make me happy. Some pumpkins and every day. Those are the 4x6 cards. And then we have, let's see here, I have little foxes, hello autumn, Saturday and Sunday, I love fall, little foxy. And then here's the back of these. I like that. I like that, how the black pops on there. Here's the story, and then top 5, my favorite season. Little pumpkin one, and then just some pretty writing. Thoughts today. Good things are going to happen. Kind of like a frame. Here and now. September, and then the calendar. October. Fall, and that green piece. This yellow one, and then that. A notebook page, fall for you. That'll make a great card. So put that aside. Today, and then this piece. Every day is a fresh start. The wild color one, start today with a grateful heart. Picture perfect, and look at the stars. And it's not done yet. We still have some more pieces. So let me get these out. This is more of the vellum, more leaves, and like the card that there came from, and then this little twig piece. So let me put those there. And yes, I'm already seeing something there, but I'm going to behave myself right now. And let's take a look at these pieces. This is the pocket kit, the ephemera. So just a few sayings and tags and arrows. There we go. Let me go for a walk. Cuddle weather right now. And a quote, funny story, current, and there you have it. Okay. So I like to put all of my die cuts in a little container. I think all my other size ones are used up, so I will just put these in here. And then, oh, here's the other ones. And I do combine both the memory kit and the pocket kit to make, I just throw them all in together. Who knows what I will be inspired to create this time. Now this month I'm going to be storing my stuff in this container from IKEA. I normally don't, but the one that I normally use is currently occupied with a lot of spare pieces since I didn't scrapbook much over the summer. So I'm going to just put my papers in there. And excuse me as I try to get everything out of here. Here's those chipboard stickers and the stamps. They don't fit great in there, but here are these pieces. That'll go, let me find those 6x6 pieces. I'll probably keep all that together there. Here's those chipboard and the letters. Probably gonna go there too because it's all extras in my mind. Then we have the little enamel dots. We have these little trinkets and trappings. I'm gonna put my ink down in there with the stamp. And you know what? I'm gonna change it to there because I think all the cards will fit in there. Yes, they will. Because otherwise, if I put them in those bigger ones, they're just gonna disappear. So I'm gonna stick them there. Okay. And that's about it. So I am ready to scrapbook. I hope that this has given you some ideas. Make sure you check back and see what I create through the month. As I said, I don't know yet. I have to see what pictures I can come up with. And chances are, in a kit like this, I'm going to play with color and just enjoy. And as I did with this little piece here that I've put together, I might make some cards. I might use these things in a traveler's notebook, something smaller that if I don't really have the picture to go with it, it won't look funny, I guess. All right? So have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.